This is what's actually happening in the Toronto downtown and surrounding real estate market right now. No hype, no predictions, just what we're seeing on a day-to-day and why this matters if you're thinking about selling your property this year. First of all, there is no real crash. There's no fire sale and buyers haven't completely disappeared from the landscape. They're just more selective. And if you're selling a condo, of course, you got a lot of selection. But if you're selling a house, that doesn't mean it's going to sell right away in this market. It just means that the buyers are more selective. So well-priced semis and well-priced detached homes, or even well-priced attached homes like townhomes, are selling really, really well. The difference is the price variance between really nice homes, so well-renovated properties, and properties that need a lot of work is large, and it's never been bigger before. The other thing we're noticing is that over-optimistic pricing, so pricing too high, actually causes more pain in the long term. So if you're not listening to your agent doesn't know what they're doing, and they price your property too high, that's actually going to cost you more money as your property becomes stale. So pricing your house properly and having the property look as best as possible is more important today than it has ever been in previous years when things used to fly off the shelf. So one of the biggest changes is buyer behavior. So buyers are doing things a little bit slower, and they're being a little bit more decisive, of course, which means they're going to take more second showings. They're going to see the property twice. Don't expect anyone to buy it likely on the first time they've seen it, and they're going to do more due diligence. So there's no way to sort of expect that they're not going to notice something that you haven't figured out. They're going to notice it. They're buying more cautiously. If there's something you can control about the sale of your house, this is the year that you might want to consider doing it, because when you get down to it, buyers are going to find out anyway. Might as well take care of the problem in advance, price your property properly, and get more eyes on it for a better end result and more cash in your pocket. So what sellers really need to know this year is that the first 7 to 10 days actually matter the most. So pricing your property properly, of course, but getting those first 7 to 10 days marketed properly to as many eyes as you possibly can are going to affect your net profit, your net outcome as best as possible. If you want to get specific information of your neighborhood or your street or your area, feel free to reach out, because remember, the data, the actual data is more important than the headlines you might read, right? So feel free to reach out, and don't forget to like, follow, share, and comment for more great videos like this.